What's up guys, Saurav here, and in this video I'm gonna compare the OnePlus Buds with the Samsung Galaxy Buds Generation 1. So stay tuned. Let's start off with looking at the box content first. So with OnePlus Buds, you get all these accessories, whereas with Samsung Galaxy Buds Generation 1, you get all these accessories. Samsung Galaxy Buds has more accessories if you compare it with OnePlus Buds, but that's because they have wingtips, which are missing on OnePlus Buds. So looking at the battery life, OnePlus Buds comes with a total battery of 432 mAh, whereas the Samsung Galaxy Buds comes with a battery life of 252 mAh. For all those people who are not aware of these numbers, let me tell you that OnePlus Buds on full charge can give you a battery life of 30 non-stop hours, whereas the Samsung Galaxy Buds once charged only provide 13 hours of playback. By the way, if you're new to my channel and if you're watching this video, a subs would be highly appreciated. If you look at the charging time, OnePlus Buds provides you a battery of 10 hours on single 10 minutes charge, whereas in Samsung Galaxy Buds, they only provide you with a battery of 1 hour on 10 minutes of charge. If you're talking about the comfort, let me tell you that these OnePlus Buds are not the most comfortable pair of earphones which are coming out there in market. Now, if you are actually a person who enjoy wearing to Apple's earpods, then these might not be much issues to you. But for me, I am not used to that, and since these don't have silicon tips, it hurts after a particular amount of time. Whereas if you talk about Samsung Galaxy Buds, which is right here, these have silicon tips, and that's why when you wear it, it just goes right into your ear without even noticing. So you barely even notice it, and so it feels good. Also, if you're looking to buy one of these to use in gyms, prevent buying OnePlus Buds because these will fall out during some kind of exercise, whereas these Samsung Galaxy Buds will stay in your ear for longer. Talking about the touch control settings with both of these buds, OnePlus Buds do not really have much options to customize when it comes to touch controls on non-OnePlus devices. On OnePlus devices you can customize, but also there are not much options. And if you own a device like me, which is not a OnePlus device, and you connect it, you don't even have the option to play and pause the music by tapping the earbuds. It's just not there. In order to pause it, you have to take it out of your ear and then the music will stop playing. Whereas in Samsung Galaxy Buds, all you have to do is download their application on any mobile, and irrespective of the model of the mobile, it just has to be supported, and all the options, all the customizable options, all the buttons, tabs, everything is out there for you. Talking about the microphone quality of both of them, OnePlus Buds comes with 3 microphones built in, whereas Samsung Galaxy Buds have only 2. Now talking about how rich the sound is while you're talking with someone on OnePlus Buds, the person might complain about muffiness. Yes, he might not be able to understand the voice clearly because it's just not clear, even with 3 microphones. However, it does a very good job in suppressing the background noise, way more better than Samsung Galaxy Buds. Whereas in Galaxy Buds, audio is clean, but it just picks up a bit more noise than the OnePlus Buds. Talking about the audio quality of these two buds, OnePlus Buds sounds very similar to Samsung Galaxy Buds. However, the only thing which is there is that they have more bass than Samsung Galaxy Buds. Yes, they are rich in bass, but when you increase the volume, they become more tinier and the richness of the song is just lost. Whereas the music separation is very much there in Samsung Galaxy Buds, and even on high volumes, they sound just amazing. The next thing worth noting is the noise cancellation feature. So OnePlus Buds have no noise cancellation. So once you put them in, you will also hear the background while you are listening to music. Whereas Samsung Galaxy Buds comes with a passive noise cancellation, not the active but passive. So once they are in, you will not be hearing any atmospheric background noise, and also there is a better feature which is called surround sound that will let you hear it when you want to without taking them off, which is also not present in OnePlus Buds. The next and a very important thing is that there is no application support for OnePlus on non-OnePlus devices. With OnePlus devices, you can customize some things as I already told, but with Samsung Galaxy Buds, you can just download the application and do pretty much everything that you can do from a normal Samsung device. Yes. Now talking about the charging options available with both the buds, with OnePlus Buds, you only have the option to charge it via the Type-C cable, which is good, but I wouldn't say that great because you don't get the option of wireless charging as it's there in Samsung Galaxy Buds, correct? So you have the freedom to either charge it with the data cable, which is Type-C or wirelessly charge, or also in some situations when you own a Samsung Galaxy device, you can also use the reverse charging option to charge these buds from your mobile phone, which is a great feature. Talking about the weights and the dimensions, they both weigh 40 grams, which is same, so there is not really any difference in terms of weight. However, in terms of dimension there is, and that's why with Samsung Galaxy Buds you can put them in your smaller pocket of your jeans, whereas with Galaxy Buds they have to go in the regular pocket. Now the big question is, which one should you buy out of these two? It totally depends on your use case scenario. If you are a person who goes out a lot, don't have much time to charge the buds, then you should go for OnePlus Buds, because on single charge it will last 30 hours, which in comparison with these Galaxy Buds is a huge 3 times. But if you're a person who actually goes more in trains or like in airplanes and there is a lot of noise around you and you want to get yourself off that noise, go for Galaxy Buds Plus or Galaxy Buds in this case, and that will help you eliminate all the background noises when they are inside your ear. Also, if you're a person who's actually owning a OnePlus device, then I would totally recommend you to go for OnePlus Buds, because then you would make use of each and every feature which is out there. Whereas if you are using a normal phone, any other phone besides OnePlus, then I would recommend you to go for Samsung Galaxy Buds, because these are just rich and you can have each and every option present there in the application that you can customize according to you. You get timely firmware updates and everything else. So that was all for the video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section below, and if you like the video, smash that thumbs up button, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.